Phunzathang assured to take a befitting action against those who were found involved in malpractices in the department. And Gaikhangam urged members and chairmen of District Council to dispense their duties efficiently, says District Council is a democratic institution. Now the details. GAD Minister Phunzathang Tonsing has assured to take befitting action if officials and concerned agency were found in doing malpractices in GAD. He made the statement in a press meet held at his official residence today. He however maintained that the recent inspection by members of Estimate Committee of Manipur Assembly will be a good one if they inspect it under a proper way. He also maintained that it is very unfortunate to paint the matter in wrong light, which appears some misunderstanding between government departments in the inspection which was carried out in the presence of the media persons. During India resident Pranab Mukherjee's visit to the state on the 15th and 16th April last, he was out of Manipur and was not aware of the happenings within GAD department. Finance Department has sanctioned 15 lakh of rupees for the President's visit. He further said, as of now, per the first investigation report, there were no misuse and irregularities on the part of GAD on how the money was used. If anyone is found involved in misuse in the money, in further investigation, punitive actions will be taken up against those officials. He said financial transaction in connection with the visit of former President Pratibha Patil and Prime Minister Manmohan was done during the time of another person. He was just started holding the portfolio of GAD very recently. Though no tender has been called for supply and catering in GAD for the last 11 years, tender calling for supply and catering has been started since the beginning of his tenure as GAD Minister. Efforts are on to construct an up-to-date godown for GAD. Various items and materials of GAD are presently kept at first MR Banquet Hall as there is no place to keep. All the materials and items are kept neat and clean after using. He also clarified that proper register has been maintained for all the items used and returned in GAD now.
GAD department I'm a huge amount of leavers on that LOC oina final department routine work na hai matare lakal level to LOC form da pasha thadok paywa ne khara thadok na especially VIP ko malak pakan na khara hen na pi paywa ne sitayam na chingna dingai solite anyhow my wisdom for maintaining transparency and good governance will be able to prevent unwanted happening in future. Any problem
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam has maintained that mistakes might happen if the habit for demands are there without knowing their responsibilities and duties. He said this in connection with the inaugural function of two-day seminar on protection of tribal right and functions of District Council. Commissioner Tribal Affairs and Hills S.K. Dev Brahman and Chairman of 6th District Council were also present on the occasion. The seminar dwelt on dispensing responsibilities and duties efficiently. Those who spoke on the occasion also inquired why power has not been devolved to the District Council even if Indian Constitution has granted the devolution of power to ADC. Many resource persons also talked in detail about how District Council and 6th schedule came into being and its functioning. They also maintained that implementation of 6th schedule and District Council in letter and spirit will definitely protect the tribal interest and also will help in preserving natural resources. Gaikhangam further said that District Council election, which was not held for the last 20 years, was held recently. He also sought the attention of chairperson and members of ADC to take up more works efficiently, saying the situation in hill areas remained the same like before even after holding ADC elections. India will definitely devote leaps and bounds if democratic institutions from Panchayat level to MP dispense their duties efficiently. Despite more than 60 years of Indian independence, democratic institutions failed to function efficiently and properly. However, efforts are on to make these institutions function efficiently. He also made it clear that it is a wrong notion to consider power of ministers and MLA in hill areas will decrease if powers are devolved to the ADC. He also went on to add that it will not be right to consider district council as a separate department by council members. District council is a democratic institution, he added.
election is hazard pantople council ka mizar ba chairman se vice chairman se amati ka mizar ba councillors se unna bahal kula ranga resource person khang ba resource person maya naina ra kai ka gani high service discuss karna ini chuk na discuss karna meski seminar se finding madu recommendation do sarkar lan khatpa hal wahan tawir mani hal
Thobal District Police Commando has arrested a cadre of KYKL from Pangaltabi, Makhalekai. The arrested person is identified as one Kundrak Pamroji Singh, son of KH Bhimu Singh of Jairen Khongnanglekai, according to a press release by SP Thobal. Combined force of Imphal East Commando and 16th Assam Rifles have seized one laded gun, 3 laded bombs and 28 bullets of AK-47 rifles from the house of one Karam Bhaigya of Ising Thendi Mapal. The arms and ammunitions were seized following search in the area. Investigations revealed that the arms and ammunitions was kept concealed by 2 unknown persons, according to a press release by SP Imphal East. Owner of the house, which was set on fire at Nungsai Part 1 under Khopum Police Station on 9th May last, Mr. Gondhore said his house was set on fire. He was away in Imphal. He further maintained that he suspects who could be behind the arson. Chairman of Nungsai village, G. Pauzalung, said that such incident is very unfortunate and expressed his desire to amicably settle the matter at the earliest through talks.
की बतांग सिदा असिदा पान लैब सिदा जुम से तीन सु लोइना कखरे अदुगा जुम की पोट चाइ छिसु लोइना डिस्ट्रॉय तौबा मसिदी मी हटपने जुम थुगाइबा जुम जाइबा हाइबसिदी मी हटपने हाइबसि आहाते थमनिंगे
Ethno Heritage Council Harikon organized the 5th blood donation camp in connection with the 11th Foundation Day celebration. The blood donation camp was held at Jenims, Porompat. Harikon President M. Churamani led the volunteers who had come to donate blood. Speaking to the ISTB, Harikon President said blood is an essential part of human body. He said the blood donation camp was held with the aim to bring closer ties between different tribes and communities residing in the state. The blood donation camp was held as part of the 11th Foundation Day celebration of Harikon.
Lamdam sida leiriba khuru kanglup sing sida natana malemda leiriba mioi ba haiba kanglup khuding makku nungsibagi aduga mi khuding mak se sab manai ekoi I amatani haibagi madugi thengduda ekoi na mioi bagi minungsi amadi mioi bagi kathokpaga loinana blood donation si tawjabani.
The first Northeast India Mount Everest expedition has set off for the final summit from the Everest Base Camp. A team of 11 climbers have reached Camp 2 today, which is located at 6,400 meters above sea level. The 11 climbers include N. Chinkhainganba, Kaji Sherpa, Ansu Jamsenpa, A. Roberta and N. Vidyabati. The team is expected to make the final summit on 17th May. Priyamcha Mohan will make an attempt to summit on May 19th. The first Northeast India Mount Everest expedition is being sponsored by Northeastern Council and State Planning Department and is implemented by Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association. President MMTA El Surjit is leading the expedition. On its completion, the expedition will be scripted in history as the first expedition comprising exclusively of mountaineers from Northeast India. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh today constituted a group of ministers to review CBI's autonomy. The move comes after Supreme Court attacked CBI for being a caged parrot of its masters. The group of ministers will be headed by P. Chidambaram and has Kapil Sibal, V. Narayan Swamy and Sushil Kumar Sindhe as members. CBI Director Ranjit Sinha will also be part of the team as a special invitee. The Supreme Court had come down heavily on CBI on May 8 for sharing the status report on Quail allocation, scam prof with then Law Minister Ashwani Kumar and officials of PMO and Quail Ministry. CBI Director Ranjit Sinha later said whatever the apex court stated was correct and the issue of autonomy for the organization has to be decided by the government. On the question of the Supreme Court terming the Azansi a caged parrot that speaks in its master's voice, Sinha said, whatever the Supreme Court said is correct. Before we wind up, a recap of the top stories once again. GAD Minister Phunzathang assured to take a befitting action against those who were found involved in malpractices in the department. And Gaikhangam urged members and chairman of District Council to dispense their duties efficiently. Says District Council is a democratic institution. That's all we have for now. Thanks for joining us.